Back again with the XJ, and today we're going to be hopefully fixing this rear door. So you can't open the door from the inside or the outside, and the lock works, the handle doesn't open the door. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and try to pull this door panel off from the inside. There's a trick that we've seen online where you could remove the little trim back here and get in there with like a screwdriver or something, and then put some pressure on the actual handle thing and it'll open up, but we weren't able to get the trim off completely. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this from the inside and see how far we can get. So there's only a couple of Phillips head screws. There's two right here, one here, and there's two more over here. The only thing would be pulling the door panel off of the door because there's not a lot of room. But let's see if we can get this done real quick. Alright, so all we did was unclip the window button thing off of this trim, and then you could push this through. So you push it back first and then you kind of just wiggle it out, and that way you don't have to worry about this right now. And next we're gonna see if we could pop this door panel off. So we went ahead and removed the rods from this handle. One of the clips broke, and we also had this big pry thing for the door panels to get to the clips. Some of them broke off, as you can see. They're still stuck in there, and then we were able to pull the panel off. So now we're going to have to pull this off the barrier to get to the back to see what's going on with the door. You can see right here something is not working right, but I don't see why it's not working if it's turning. But let me go ahead and mess with it for a little bit. If I can figure this out. Oh, there you go. I don't know, this thing was clicked inward, and then there you go. I don't know if it's child lock. Oh, it might be child lock. Oh, yeah, so the child lock was stuck. Because as soon as we did that, this thing opened up. Now we're gonna go ahead and just spray some lubricant or grease this up so it gets work properly from now on. You can see right here where the previous owner tried to open it up with the screwdriver, I guess. And that didn't work. I wonder how long this door was locked. You remove all these clips and put them back on the door panel. They don't really hold as good as they should once they're broken off. Alright, so this door, the window won't go down with this switch or with the master switch at the driver's door. So I'm gonna pull this whole thing off and then try to see what's going on with the motor. Maybe it's not connected, or I don't know. Hopefully it's nothing bad. We put the door panel back on. We checked the power at the motor and at the switch, and there's no power coming from here, so we believe it's from the master switch over there. We're gonna go to AutoZone right now and get the little clip that broke, and then this door should be done. So it locks and unlocks now, and it opens up from the inside and the outside. The only thing is the window. So we're also gonna check the rear driver's side door, because that one also gets stuck from the outside. It won't open from the outside, but it will open from the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and mess with that one right now. So we went ahead and removed the door panel again, and we just found out that it has like a little adjuster right here. So you reach in there with the Allen wrench kind of see it back there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a size, and this thing doesn't even have a size on it, but it's a small one. So you just loosen it up. You have to kind of like swing the little arm as much as possible, and then you lock it back up. So now this thing opens up like nothing. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the door panel back on, and we have to do this to the to that side, to the rear driver's side door. So if you walk up to the door like this, you just stick your Allen key right here. You're gonna be able to see it, and then you break it loose. Hopefully we don't have to remove the door, but if we do, oh well. I'm gonna try to get another screwdriver and just pry that little thing to the side. All right, so this thing worked. We got a little screwdriver and we loosened up the bolt, and then we pried it over to the side, and then we tightened the set screw all the way, and now it opens up. So we are going to we were gonna mess with this right now, but we're gonna go to a junkyard and just get a whole switch, because this little button's coming off on this, and it's just falling apart. So we're gonna go ahead and do that another day. We got both of these rear doors to open up from the outside. We messed up a clip on that side, but we're gonna fix that right now. And that's pretty much it, I think, for this video. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.